Hey guys, I'm Adam with AmericanMuscle.com, and this video is to demonstrate a standard wheel setup on all 2011 and newer Chargers with 20x9 wheels and 275 40 R20 tires. In this video, I'll go over what a standard setup is, fitment in the wheel well area, who this setup is ideal for, and what to expect when driving with this setup for your Charger. Now, first things first, a standard or square wheel setup on a Charger is when the same size wheel and tire are on all four corners, as opposed to a staggered setup where the rear tires are slightly wider than the front. This standard setup is popular, as you can see from the pictures provided by our 2011 and newer Charger owners. This setup is ideal if you want to keep a more factory-like stance and the ability to properly rotate your tires in traditional senses, which is not possible if you're running a staggered setup. As far as driving, this will fit all 2011 and newer Chargers with a factory suspension or that are lowered up to 2 inches. You can expect to maintain stock-like handling characteristics with no rubbing issues. Now, if you do purchase a set from AmericanMuscle.com, we make it easy for you to get these on your Charger. On our wheel and tire package pages, we have setups that you can have mounted, balanced, and shipped right to you. You can also choose to have TPMS sensors installed. Now, TPMS stands for Tire Pressure Monitoring System and alerts you when your tire pressure is low. If your Charger's stock tires came equipped with TPMS sensors from the factory, you will need to pick up a new set of these for your new wheels and tires, otherwise you might see a warning light on the dash. To ensure proper installation of the wheels, we recommend picking up a set of aftermarket 14x15 lug nuts to fit the smaller lug holes in most aftermarket wheels. Now again, you can find those there on the site. Then just have a jack, lug wrench, and some elbow grease ready, and you'll have them on in no time. If you have any questions about this setup for your Charger, you can call our customer service number to speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product review and install videos. Keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.